Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study math. First, always focus on understanding the core concepts thoroughly. Don't just memorize formulas, grasp the why behind them. Reviewing earlier topics ensures you build a solid foundation, making new material easier to learn. If you encounter any confusion, ask your teacher or a classmate right away. Clearing doubts early prevents bigger problems later on. Consistent practice is key to math success. Dedicate time each day to work through different kinds of problems, not just the easy ones. When solving, break down complex problems into smaller, manageable steps. This helps you understand the process. After completing a problem, always review your work to find and correct any mistakes. Learning from errors is a powerful way to improve. Establish a regular study schedule for math, perhaps 30 minutes to 1 hour daily. This consistency reinforces learning. Don't hesitate to use additional resources like online tutorials, educational videos, or supplementary textbooks if you need more explanations. Collaborating with peers in a study group can also be incredibly beneficial, allowing you to discuss difficult concepts and learn from each other's perspectives. Regularly revisit and revise all the formulas, theorems, and problem-solving techniques you've learned. This helps solidify your memory and understanding. Before exams, take practice tests under timed conditions to get comfortable with the format and manage your time effectively. Remember, consistent effort yields the best results. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.